Morning, afternoon, evening people, welcome back to the channel. If you've been following the channel you will know that I got hold of this camper van that had been abandoned for 5 years, doing it up over the winter, getting back on the road for next spring, summertime, doing it all on film. So if you do want to see that, do hit subscribe. Anyway, today's job. Right there was a wardrobe. I've just spent about 2 hours ripping it out. So I do want a fixed bed at the back. So that back wall's going. So fixed bed going at the back. So to that end, this seating area needs to be moved. And the seating area to be moved to end there, and then this, little table area, I'm going to move to here. So yeah, no, I have had a look under there, but not for a couple of weeks. So I don't know what it's looking like. So let's get on with it. Okay, a few cables running through there. What's this for? Aha, okay. So a cigarette lighter socket there, and a plug socket. Now I am going to rewire in the entire van. So a lot of the wiring that's in here now isn't really a biggie. So I'll just leave that alone for now. I was kind of hoping that this thing was just one unit. I could unscrew it from the side of the van and just move it over, but it's not. It's pieced together. But this is one piece. I can move that over, and the other supporting bits, I can unscrew those and move them, so I can get to them better then. The problem is this secured here with this screw, but that screw's rounded off. So it looks like I am going to have to force it. I'm not bothered about this back wall, because this is going anyway. So we are going to have a fixed bed. Okay, so I've finally got it free, almost in one piece. Now, the fixed beds start just about here. So, 1 foot, 2 foot, 3 foot. So it'll be about 4.5 to 5 feet wide, the fixed bed. So there's about another foot other side of that. So, yeah, I'm thinking seating area 2 here. So, let's get this sorted. So you can see I've got this gap at the end. I'm going to extend the seating area up to here. And then I'm going to utilise this other bit of space by the door for a wood burner with a bit of storage beneath it. So really should have brought my cordless with me, but hey ho, hindsight is a fine thing. Okay, I'll secure that across there. I'll secure it in the middle and then screw it to the wall along there. Okay, so that's to bite the bullet, drive home and get my cordless. Okay, so done. Let's put it together, see what it looks like. I'm sorry about the lighting. We're losing light now and I've got no power up here at the van. I should really invest in a power bank, shouldn't I? But they're expensive. If that back's a bit high, don't know. Let me know what you think in the comments. Is that a bit high? What should I use? One of those. Let me know in the comments. Okay, so that's cleared a bit of space at the back now. So next thing is that back wall out, that seating area partially out, and fixed bed in. Okay, so the rain's setting in now. Lights going, it's about 16:30 at night. So yeah, next job, back wall out, fixed bed in, and I can start working on stuff in the garage then, and after Christmas MOT. I will put a video up on the screen up here where I showed you around the inside of the van before I start ripping stuff out. So that's there if you want to see that. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.